case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2004, a clear verdict was reached in the State v. Heckel case by the Washington Court of Appeals, asserting that states could indeed criminalize unsolicited, deceptive spam emails. This landmark case began back in 1998 when Jason Heckel, a resident of Oregon, sparked controversy and eventual legal action as a result of his deceptive email practices in Washington state. Heckel made an audacious move by disregarding Washington's newly instated Commercial Electronic Mail Act, which prohibits deceptive behavior in unsolicited commercial emails aimed at Washington residents. He continued to send deceptive spam emails, using misleading subject lines and transmission paths, even utilizing a third party's inactive domain name without permission. Outraged, the Washington State Attorney General sued Heckel. But in a surprising turn of events, the trial court initially dismissed the claims in 2000, establishing a concerning precedent by referencing the violation of the Commerce Clause of the American Constitution. However, justice wasn't so easily deterred. In 2001, the Supreme Court of Washington pushed back, reversing the dismissal decision and supporting the validity of Washington's Mail Act. They firmly stated it did not excessively burden interstate commerce. In 2002, the state moved for partial summary judgment, which was granted. Not only did the court enforce a civil penalty and an injunction against Heckel, but attorney fees and costs were also awarded to the state. Despite these setbacks, Heckel refused to surrender and passionately appealed. He held steadfast to his arguments, claiming he was unaware his spam emails were reaching Washington residents, challenged the act as in violation of the Commerce Clause, and disputed the factual nature of his email's subject lines. Unfortunately for Heckel, the court remained unmoved, and it ruled steadfastly in the state's favor, dismissing Heckel's claims and reaffirming the lower court's judgment. In conclusion, the court ruled emphatically that Heckel's actions were in violation of the Washington Commercial Email Act. The initial ruling was upheld, holding Heckel accountable with civil penalties, injunctions, and obedience to pay the state's attorney fees. The court stood firm against Heckel's claims, asserting that his deceptive spam did not infringe upon the Commerce Clause or First Amendment, nor was it deemed unconstitutionally vague. This case served as a powerful affirmation of the state's right to regulate deceptive commercial speech and protect its residents from unsolicited spam.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.